How to enable Gyroscope in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily enable the gyroscope and let you aim by tilting your device, giving you a faster and more precise shooting experience. First of all, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner and click on Options. Under Options, make sure you are inside Controls, and under Basic Options, go to the bottom from the Basic Options and you'll see a Gyroscope option. Click on the On button right next to Gyroscope. Now you can go ahead and adjust the sensitivity of horizontal and vertical gyro. Go ahead and make your selection, and then once done, you can head back to the home page. Now go ahead and play the game, and you'll notice the gyroscope has now been enabled. Go ahead and select your character or hero and join into a game. And once the game starts, try moving your device and you will see that the gyroscope has now been enabled. So that is how you can easily enable gyroscope in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.